What a fine day it is, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And to all the new people who are new to our channel and watching our video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future crypto related videos just like this. And today's video is on Coinbase. And before moving forward, let me tell you guys what Coinbase is. Coinbase is the world's second largest cryptocurrency exchange right after Binance. And it's a cryptocurrency exchange, which means it's a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. Now let me show you guys how you guys can recover your account of Coinbase. Now before moving forward, if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link, which is in the description, to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. And just remember that Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are two different things, alright? Whether they have Coinbase, which is their company's name, they're under their same company Coinbase, but regular Coinbase and Coinbase Pro is different. Now this video is on Coinbase. If you guys want a similar video on Coinbase Pro, comment down below and I'll make a video on that as well. So first step, search for Coinbase and click on sign in. Once you do that, it's going to take you to sign in page and click on register forgot password. Now once you click on it, it's going to ask you to enter an email over here. So you need to enter your email, which is linked with your Coinbase account. So I'm going to link my email over here, which is linked with my Coinbase account over here. You also do that. After you do that, click on reset password. It's going to send a verification code to this email. I need to go to this email to click on that verification link. As you guys can see, I got an email from Coinbase. Now I can click on reset password. It's going to take me to the reset password page. Now over here, I can enter my new password and click on update password to reset my password. So yeah, it's that simple. Now I said email, but if you used your phone number to create a Coinbase account, instead of email, use your phone number over there and they're going to send a link to your SMS and use that link just like I did through email to reset your password. Hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and bye-bye.